Hey everyone, today I want to share a story with you guys. Since I was a little kid and remember myself, I always remember my mom taking photos. She had a couple of beautiful film cameras with her, always, and taking photos of us as kids, beautiful places, and just moments of life. So probably that's where I got my love for photography and videography from. My mom always had a passion and love for the art of photography. Back in summer 2021, I visited Greece and found one of my mom's old film cameras that she used to use every day. So I had some film with me. I was like, I'm gonna test this thing out, see how it looks, how it works, how it feels, and if it works good and I like it, I'm gonna bring it back with me. So I want to show you some of the photos I took in Greece with it and some of the photos I took while bringing it back here in the United States. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I always carry this camera with me. It's small, compatible, it fits in a pocket or a bag, and it's just like really easy to carry it with me, capture beautiful moments of life, like everyday life, slice of life I could say, and just like when I don't want to put too much focus on like, a manual film camera as the other ones I have, and like this is a point and shoot, so I just point, shoot, take the photo, and have some beautiful memories recorded for the rest of my life, and that's it. Yeah, it's like really fun, and it's also my mom, so it means a lot to me, and I just enjoy shooting with it. It's just like it was one of the first introductions back in the day to film for me. So yeah, just like it carries the passion of my mom, and just enjoy it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, a comment with what was your favorite photo, what do you want to see next in the channel. And yeah, I'm trying to stay consistent over here. So yeah, we have one more video for this month. By the end of the month, it's Christmas next week. Hope everyone has a great Christmas. And yeah, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.